Hi viewers, welcome to Foodie Bites channel. Today we are preparing mango pulihora. Firstly take mangoes, peel it and grate it and keep it aside. For tadka, heat oil in a pan. To that add mustard seeds, jeera seeds, peanuts. Fry for 1 minute. And now add chana dal. Add slitted green chilies, curry leaves, dry red chilies and fry for another 1 minute. Add turmeric powder and hing. Transfer tadka to cooked rice. In the same pan, fry grated mango. To that add salt as sufficient to rice and allow it to cook for 5 minutes on medium heat. Now add to cooked rice. Combine it well. If needed, you can add salt. Mango pulihora is ready to serve now. Mango pulihora is very easy to prepare. Hope you all like the video. Thanks for watching.